Game Design Fundamentals is an introductory course that leads to an industry-recognized certification developed in collaboration between Epic Games and Gameplan. Built around Unreal Engine, an industry-standard tool for creating immersive 3D games and interactive experiences, this interactive journey provides the core skills needed to begin a career in game design and development. The course is made up of 8 units containing 90 lessons, each dedicated to a core concept that reveals unique game design principles, gradually building on one another to develop a deep, practical understanding of how engaging games are created. We begin by exploring how video games are made. You'll learn about different game design tools and the game development cycle. We also look at career opportunities in the video game industry and related fields like film, architecture, and automotive design. Next, we dive into our first Unreal Engine project by building a Rube Goldberg machine, a complex device that performs a simple task in a fun and silly way. You'll use rolling balls, moving levers, and many more elements to build your machine step by step to achieve your goal, like making sure your cat is well fed. And to make sure we don't get lost along the way, we'll plan and sketch everything before we get to work. Then we explore what makes a game successful in a competitive industry. You'll learn how to evaluate gameplay mechanics, storytelling, visuals, and community engagement to understand what drives a game's success or failure. After that, we move on to the main project of the course, creating a 3D game. Starting with a template, you'll build your first playable level. You'll learn the basics of level design, playtesting, animation, blueprint scripting, and more. We continue by designing a large, detailed world. Using Unreal Engine tools like landscape sculpting, landscape painting, and foliage painting, you'll begin building level 2 of your game. This phase introduces advanced features like nanite, lumen, and importing custom assets. With your world in place, you'll add mini-game challenges to level 2. These include moving objects, timed gates, item spawners, and towers. You'll also use sound and particle effects to make the experience more dynamic, while fine-tuning the level difficulty for balanced gameplay. Once the game functions properly, we shift focus to menus and cutscenes. You'll improve your game's story using user interface design, music, and voiceovers to create a more immersive experience. Finally, with your game complete, we focus on professional presentation. You'll finish your portfolio and learn how to showcase your work for college or career opportunities. You'll also prepare for the Unreal Engine 3D Fundamentals Certification exam. This is a recognized workforce credential developed in collaboration with Epic Games and accepted by the industry and many US states. This is a great first step for your career in the gaming industry. We hope that you're as excited as we are about beginning your first lesson. And with that said, we'll see you in Game Design Fundamentals.